Okay, let me know, guys. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to learn, okay, how to add, okay, table, how to add a chart inside the table. Okay, guys. So that means this topic is today merge visual with table. Okay. Let's see. And okay, and we can also learn, okay, how to be show that static value. Okay. So let's start. So for this, first of all, let's make a SQL query. This one is good. Okay. So this is my SQL query, guys. Okay. Let's add customer name here and group by on the basis of customer name. Okay. Please everyone write down the SQL query. So basically in this query, I'm showing customer name wise, total order, total sales, and total profit. So let's create a SSRS report. Report name is table with chart. Not earlier. Okay. So let's make a data source first. Now let's make a data set. This one. Okay. Please, guys. Now let's start. So first of all, let's make a table and showing the value. Customer name, total order, and total sale. And we make an extra row column here. Okay. Now in this column, we are showing total profit in the chart format. Okay. So because we have a table here, okay, and now the requirement is here, this table will display chart. So the chart always display, if you want to display the chart inside the table, you need to click on the value section, right click, and you get the option called insert. Okay, done my friend. Now in this insert, you can see there is a section called data bar. Okay. So basically data bar is a type of chart that you can use for display inside the table. So we have a multiple option here, data bar, bars or column, both option here. So let's choose this one. Okay. So now if you add this chart, now our requirement is here. According to my profit, this chart width will be hide. which will be changed, guys. Okay, it's let's suppose my profit is high. That means this chart width is high, big, guys. And if my profit is less, so we need to connect the profit column value with this chart. Okay, so select this chart. And now here you can find the option called value. In the value section, we can choose a total profit. Okay, clear everyone?
So we haven't add category group in this one.
No, 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 we don't need. Okay, done, guys?
Sir, can
And
you
now just
show
simple
me
click
the
on the preview.
process? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, because right
Can
now
you
the
please,
requirement is only show the profit.
sir, can you please show me the process after adding the column?
After adding the column,
Mhm.
okay, right click here because this is a value section. To everyone, right click here and you can choose the option called insert and data bar. Okay, and choose the data bar. And now once you see the data bar, okay, select, you can in the value section, you can add your column name. Okay. And if you want, you can add the customer name also in the category, but we already show the data on the basis of customer. So let's go with the without category first of all. Okay. So please everyone done. Now let's see the preview. Let me delete this column again. You don't need to delete it. It's my fault. You can just click on the preview, guys. Everyone, please click on the preview. What did you see, guys? Now look at this. What happened here? Here you can see the customer name. This is my section. Okay, and look at this. This bar showing, sometimes this bar showing width, high width, and sometimes it's showing low width. Because according to your profit, this value is changed. To everyone? Is this clear to all of you?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's enable the data label. Remember in the chart, if you want to see the value on the top of the chart, okay, that portion is called data label. So let's add the data label here, my friend. So for adding the data label, select the chart, right click, and you get the option called show data label. Select the chart, right click, and you can see the option called data label. Right click, show data label. Okay, let me tell you one more. First, select the chart. You cannot see the show data label option. You need to click one more time. Then you can see the show data label option. Okay, done everyone. And now when you click on the preview, you can see the value also. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in the future, let's suppose if you say that, okay, I want to change this chart type. Okay, yes, we have option here. Okay, change data bar type. So here, according to your requirement, you can change the data bar. Let's suppose I'm saying I want to see the column, data column. Okay, and now you just click OK. Now it's converted. So as per the requirement, we have option here to change the data bar type, guys. Let me know once everyone done. Okay. Now let's move the next. Okay. Now let's add one more type of chart here. Okay. So let's add insert column right. Let's add one more chart here. Insert. Okay. We have multiple options here, guys. Let's suppose you want to add a line, you want to add a text box. We have an option here called indicator here, guys. This indicator chart, guys. Okay. This indicator chart basically not showing bar, not showing any box, anything. It show the indicator, guys. Okay. So if your value lie between 3 conditions, then you can choose the 3 one. If your value lie 4 condition, then you can choose the 4. Okay. So that's why look at this here. You can see the 3, you can see the 4, you can see the 5, and you can see the 6, guys. Clear? So let's go with the 3 one.
Sir, what means that's condition?
Sorry?
What means that's condition? 3 condition, 4 condition, what is that?
I will explain. I will explain. Just 1 minute. No?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, let's do the 3 one. And now when you click here, he asking, how can you show the value on the basis of expression or condition? Okay. So what is the condition, guys? Let me explain. For example, okay, you are saying, okay, I have a chart, okay, and I have a one situation. Let's suppose if my cell, okay, below 0, then red. If cell between 0 to 1000, then yellow, else green. So look at this. Here you have a 3 condition. True? So according to this one, okay, you can choose that options. Clear, everyone? So here you need to write the expression and it can be work, guys. Clear? Any question, any query, my friend?
Okay,
So
sir.
let's add a total cell here. What I did here, I just simple add total cell, guys. Please everyone add total cell. Let me know, my friend, when it's done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's enable the data label also so that we can see the value. Okay. Or we can just run it, preview. Now you can see, my friend. It by default, it calculates automatically, guys. Okay. Sometimes you can see the down arrow. Sometimes you can see the up arrow. Sometimes you can see the yellow arrow. Okay. So it's automatically according to the value, they have a predefined condition and they can do it. Okay.
Then how can we understand what is the meaning of this? Down arrow, straight arrow, that's mean.
Yes. So you have option here. You can change the expression also, no? Okay. Because by default, it going with the condition here. Look at this. Okay. Let me show you one more time. So
Okay.
please click here. Okay. In the arrow, you get the option. Okay. Indicator property. Okay. And if you go to the value and state section, you can find that, okay, this arrow showing the value on the basis of total cell column. Okay. This calculation versus working on the percentage wise. Okay. And this is a formula. So if your value, total cell value percentage between 0 to 33, then it's showing the down arrow. Otherwise, if it belongs to the 33 to 66, then it's a yellow arrow. If belong to the 66 to 100%, then it's showing the green arrow. Understand? If
Yes,
you
sir.
want to perform your custom solution, let's suppose if you are saying, I want to perform my custom solution. I have a custom condition. So you can add it. For example, if we are saying, okay, all the zero value less than zero, this is a minus value, guys. So it's a less than zero. So we can just say that, okay, I want to show the value wise, not percentage wise. So I choose numeric. Okay. So we are saying we can show the down arrow. Okay. When the value start, okay, minus, let's suppose minus value. Okay. Because this is a minus value. Start position is minus and end with 0. So I will show the down arrow with a red symbol. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now the yellow arrow I will show when my value is greater than 0, let's suppose greater than 1 and less than 1000. Okay, clear, everyone? And now the last one is greater than 1001. Why 1001 here? Because till 1000 you can show here. True, guys? And here 1 million. Okay, so here we have option, we can customize the condition. Okay, and just click OK button. And now let's see the value. Okay, my friend. So here the value is
Okay,
green.
sir.
Here. Clear, everyone? So you have option here to add the chart inside the table, okay, and customize it. Even if you want to say that, okay, I want to change the chart indicator type. So yes, just choose the chart indicator type option and you can choose this one also, guys. Any chart type you can choose. Now preview. Now look at this. Your chart is changed. Full star, half star, less star. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is called add chart inside the table. Okay. Sometime what happened, okay, let's suppose there is a situation here. I have a 2 chart in my page. Okay. Chart 1, display, okay, total cell by subcategory according to category parameter value. Okay, everyone. And the chart 1, chart 2 show top 5 customer by cell. Okay. And now there is a one more text box we needed. The box is showing total cell. Okay. That change after parameter value change. But this one is never changed. Top 5 by customer by sales always fixed. No change after parameter value change. Okay, guys. In the Power BI, if you want to perform this type of action, we have option here, stop interaction. True, everyone? Remember? In the Power BI, if you want to perform this type of action, we have a stop interaction option there. But let's see how can we do it in SSIS. Sorry, SSRS. Okay. So let's make a query first. Total sale subcategory according to the category parameter. So let's make a first data set, DS subcategory. Okay. And we can add the where category equal to, because this is filtered by what category we select. Please everyone create this data set. Second query for the parameter that display distinct. Okay. And the third one is top 5 customer by sales. Okay. So we can show like this one. Select top 5. Okay, my friend. This is showing top 5 customer by sales. And we are showing the first value in the top. So order by second TSC. Okay. So now you can see the highest selling customer in the top. And now the last query. Total sales that change after parameter change. Okay. That means select sum of sales from order table where category equal to @category. Okay. So please understand, whenever in the SSRS report, if you say that, okay, I don't want to filter my data on the basis of parameter selection, you don't need to use the parameter query in your data extract. Okay. Clear, everyone? You don't need to look at this. Here I want to change. Here I want to change my value on the basis of category column, parameter category. So I use this one. Here I want, that's why I'm using. But here I don't want to use, that's why I'm not using this one. Clear, everyone? Any question? So in the future, if you are getting any requirement where you don't want to change the chart value on the basis of your parameter selection, then don't use parameter on that query. Okay, so let's start. So let's make a chart. Static versus dynamic value. Let's make a data source first. Let's make a data set first. So first of all, I'm going to make the parameters, DS category. It is very important whenever you create a data set, okay, provide the correct name. Okay. Now the next one. Okay.
कैटेगरी वाली लगनी है
Okay. And the last one is total sale. That change the value on every category.
जल्दी भैया कुछ ऐड करना थे मैंने लगता ऐड करना
Oh, sorry. Look at this. Now you can see one problem. Okay. Because I perform a aggregation here. Okay, guys. And I did not give any column name in the output. Did you notice this one? So by default, what happened? By default, SSRS say that, okay, when he create the data set, he provide the column name as a ID. Okay. And he provide the column name, but he did not provide the field source. Which column value he show here. Okay. So whenever you do this type of thing, guys, always provide a proper name. Okay. And when you change it, okay, look at this. Now he say that total sale value coming from the source display as a total sale. Okay. Please everyone add this 4. A chart. Let's add a chart. I think. Insert. Okay. A chart. In this chart, I'm going to show, okay, subcategory wise total sale. So when I click here, because we have a multiple option here, guys. So look at this. He said that first of all, whenever you have multiple data sources, so first of all, he show multiple data sets. Sorry. Okay. So first of all, he show the data source and then he show all the data set associated with that data source. Okay. So subcategory wise sales. So subcategory in the total sale. Okay. And here subcategory. Please everyone configure this one.
Can we just drag those columns too?
Sorry. Yes,
Can
we
we?
have option here to drag it also. But why I'm not choosing the dragging? Because sometimes what happens, I will drag some other location.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now let's check this one is working or not. So go to the preview, choose the category, and now we can see the data. Now, how can we add the figure on the top of the chart, guys? What is this feature called? Here the chart is showing, but I want to see the top, the value on the top of the chart. What is this called?
Show data labels.
Data label. Very good. So let's add a data label. Okay. Clear, everyone? Please do it, my friend. Okay. Review. Okay. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query? Now, the next one, okay, we want to see the top 5 cells. Okay. So we can add a table or chart. Whatever you want, you can add it. I'm preferring a table. This table contain only 2 columns, customer name and total sale. So let's add it. First, data source. And now preview. Mine is not working, guys. I need to add. Let me add it. Okay. So now let's see. Look at this, guys. Now, when I change the subcategory, for example, office supply to furniture, and when I click on the view report, look at it. This chart is changed, but this value is not changed. Why? Because we are not using parameter in this data set. True, guys? So that means here you are creating a 2 type of value. One is parameter, one is dynamic value according to the parameter selection. This value is changed. Okay. And the second one is static value. That value cannot be changed according to your parameter. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query, please, my friend.
Yeah, I have a question. What I notice is, without category in the first place, okay, when we go to the preview. So if this is static, why isn't it showing in the first place without having the category to be selected?
Oh, you are saying, okay, if you add this one first
No,
and
no,
you not
go
add
back
this
to
one.
go back to design.
Okay.
Now come back to preview again. So yeah, it's not showing that
Very
table,
good
right?
question. Because here in this page, we have a parameter, true? And did you select any value in the parameter? He waiting for your selection, no?
Right.
Right? So when you select it, then all the chart will display.
No,
Okay,
I
it
got that.
cannot be displayed by default. Okay, clear? If you want to see the by default, go to the category. Okay, and you can choose the default value for the category.
No, I got that. So just can you can you go back again? So my question is, So, I mean, the customer, the top 5 customer, right?
Mm-hmm.
That actually doesn't depend on the parameter.
But understand, yes. But the whole page, the report page depend upon the parameter. In this page, some visual are depend upon the parameter, na?
Okay.
True.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
now when SSRS work, okay, and if your page, if any visual depend upon the parameter, so you need to, the whole visual can be wait until you not select any value from the parameter.
Okay.
Okay, Prashant ji?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Now let's see how can we show the single value. Okay. If you want to show the single value in Power BI, remember we have a text box option. Here we also have a text box. Here in the text box, you can write your expression, my friend. Let me show you how. Click expression. Okay. Here you can write your expression, my friend. Whatever the expression you have, you can write here. Or if you want to show only value, so you can drag the here. Okay. Select and drag the total cell. Look at this. And now preview. Okay. We did not provide any aggregate here. Let's undo. Go to the expression. And we are saying we need to provide the sum of. Okay. We have a common function. Let's go with the math. We want to provide the sum, total cell. So we can add it. Did you see any sum function, guys, here? Or let's drag it. Data set, total cell, and double click. And okay. Let me show you one more time. Add a text box. Expression. In this text box, we are showing the total cell value that is available in the data set. So click on the data set. It show all the data set. My data set will be DS total cell. Click and you can see the sum of cell. Double click, it's added here. Okay. And now just click OK button. Okay, my friend. Go to the preview. Select that value. Okay. Now you can see that. My chart is not showing because it's hide somewhere, but I think in your side it's showing the text box.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So if you want to show the single value in the text box, you can go with this method. If you want to show the static visuals, okay, then don't use parameter. And if you want to change the value, then you can use the parameter. Clear? Any question, any query, my friend?
Sir, can you explain the first chart one, bar chart one? How you did that?
The bar chart one mean?
No, what you added there? Total sale,
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That text box gonna go on the bar chart when we do preview?
No, the text box is a separate control. It's shown the
Yeah, I
separate.
didn't see after you did the preview.
Yes, I think you're suffering from the same problem that I have.
Oh,
My also not showing. Let's move little bit below to this one. Okay, let's review. Why not showing? Okay, clear. So let's make an exercise and then let's see how much we learn. Okay. So now the requirement is here. We need to create a report that title is invoice detail. Okay, my friend. Okay. So in this title, we have a parameter that show invoice number. Okay. Now, after that, okay, in this invoice, okay, you will show one pie chart that show category wise total sale. Okay, for that particular invoice, guys. Okay, in this invoice, or not invoice, the order ID. Sorry, we have an order ID here, na? Okay, we don't have an invoice, we have order ID. Category wise total sale. Now we have a table. The table will display product ID, quantity, total sale, and unit price. Okay, my friend. Then we have a bar chart. In this bar chart, okay, we will show. Okay, in this bar chart, we will show. Okay, subcategory wise total order. Sorry, total quantity. And now we have one table that display top 5 order IDs by cell. So this is a requirement, my friend. So whenever I change a order ID, okay, the pie chart change that particular order ID, how many category we have and total sale. The table will show the product, how many product available in the order ID, the quantity, the total sale, and the unit price. Then when we change the order ID, then bar chart will show the subcategory on that particular order ID and show the total quantity. And we have a table. That table is static table. Okay, guys. It shows the top 5 order ID by sales.
For the unit price, we have to use different table, eh?
Unit price, it's a calculated field, huh? Because we don't have any column directly show the unit price.
Oh, yeah, we don't have.
Raman sir, can you repeat once again what you want us to do? Like the top 5 order ID by cell, that's gonna be static, and then rest
Yeah,
of
that will
all,
be static. That means whenever you change the order ID, this value cannot be changed.
right. So rest of others,
Rest of others change by the selection of order IDs.
okay.